We all know that the oil, gas, and water we commonly use in our daily lives are all transported through pipelines. But what kind of pipes are actually used to carry these essential resources? Come with me. Let's take a look together. Right now, I'm here at HUAYANG Longitudinal Welded Steel Pipe Factory. What they produce here are exactly the longitudinal welded steel pipes used for oil, gas, and water transportation. Depending on different project requirements, we produce both HFW and LSAW steel pipes. From diameter to wall thickness, everything can be customized to meet your project's specifications, and anti-corrosion treatment can also be applied when needed. Once these pipes are manufactured, they will be delivered to oil and gas pipelines, municipal pipeline networks, and various infrastructure projects. From raw materials to final delivery, every step of the process is strictly controlled. Our products have served multiple national-level projects and also exported overseas. If you have pipeline needs for oil, gas, or water transportation, whether standard sizes or customized solutions, HUAYANG Longitudinal Welded Steel Pipes can provide you with reliable solutions.